Hi, good morning, dear doctor colleagues. I am here at Rich Smile Design Center in Mumbai, and I have come here to see how far the digital dentistry is expanding. We all are in the transition phase from analog dentistry to digital dentistry. I started digital dentistry approximately 1.5 to 2 years back, but as I am attending these programs, it's really giving me insight of it. Their team has really done hard to make us understand, and it was very comfortable here. The overall class and the arrangements and all the necessary staff is seriously good, very good, and I have got something from here which is important, and it is more accurate. We have to plan our patients well in advance before we start. I wish them all the best, and I recommend you strongly that get into these things. Some or the other day you have to get into this. So why not today? All the best, RSD, and thank you for giving us such a nice knowledge and support. Thank you.